everyone, welcome back to How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to deactivate your Instagram account. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address option, enter here instagram.com. This will take you to the official website of an Instagram account. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on this gear icon on the top left corner. Tap on edit profile option. Scroll down and at the bottom you can see an option of temporarily deactivate my account. Tap on it. Scroll down. So now you need to select an option that why you are deactivating your account. So tap on select. So I'm going to choose one of the reason. You can also do the same. And here's an option that before you temporarily deactivate your account, you might want to take a look at these articles in our help center. So you can either block a user, make it private, unfollow a user, and even find out about if your account was hacked at all. So for this, now you need to scroll down and then re-enter your password. Tap on this blank option and then re-enter your password. And then scroll down and tap on temporarily deactivate account. If you're sure you want to temporarily deactivate your account, tap on yes. So this is how you do it. This is how you temporarily deactivate your account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.